Hi, my name is Paul Stork. In my career, I've been a trainer, a developer, a consultant, but no matter which of my careers I've been in, I've spent a lot of time setting up SharePoint. As a trainer, I often had to set up a whole classroom full of machines. As a developer, I needed to be able to very quickly replicate a development environment to match a production environment for a client so that I could do a development project. And as a consultant, I'm often called upon to build multiple different farms that are all essentially equal and the same, one for dev, one for test, one for production. But building a SharePoint environment can take hours, if not days. By the time you set up the SharePoint environment, install all the prerequisites, build out your websites, build out your site collections, build out all of the shared services that you want to do and get them all configured the way you want, you can literally spend multiple days to be able to do it. I've found over my career that I've found ways to automate that process from start to finish, to try and make it both replicable and also to shorten the time that it takes. Most recently, I've been doing that using Desired State Configuration and PowerShell. If you'd like to learn how to be able to build out an entire SharePoint environment, including an Azure Active Directory, SQL, and SharePoint in under 2 hours, come see my workshop, my half-day workshop at SharePoint Fest in Chicago, and I'll show you how to use Desired State Configuration to build, monitor, and manage your SharePoint environment so that it stays the way that you want it to be. I hope to see you there.